Hi folks, Dave Kunzelman from MotoRacerUSA.com. Going to do an unboxing of my second shipment from Rafael at Olimotos in Brazil, and just start giving you all the details here. So first off, I've got one of the all steel oil pump gears. As it turns out, the oil pump on the CRF250F is plastic, and if it melts, well, you're going to melt your motor essentially. So I decided to get one of those. And then I've got a 4-win 270 millimeter oversized brake rotor and caliper adapter. Looking forward to installing that and have some better brakes. I actually already did make a modification to the brake system, put on a late model CRF250F master cylinder as well as a braided line. That helps, but I want some more braking. And so I've got some of these AMX neoprene fork protectors, fork guards that have the CRF logo and HRC on them. Looking forward to installing those as well. This is a graphic sheet for some new plastics that I've got. I plan on actually getting some custom graphics for the bike as well. We've got the biker rear swing arm guards in black. I didn't decide exactly which colors I was going to go with, and the parts are relatively inexpensive, so I bought a few different ones. So I got the black fork guards from AMX as well. The engine guards, I got another set of engine guards. I like the coverage on these a little bit better, so I decided to get the Anchor ones, which offer significantly more coverage than the biker engine guards. I got a full AMX F21 plastics kit. These are the rear side panels. They looks more modern, looks more like a current model big bike, CRF 250, 450. The rear fender. I have a blue seat, so I actually got a rear fender in blue, thinking I might utilize that. The front fender, you can see this has a much different look to it, more angular, more akin to a late model bike. The shrouds, you can see it's more modern. Room. I got a rear tail light, some white AMX fork guards, debating on which color to install, and then some red biker swing arm guards. And these are some additional fork guard cups for the bottom of the forks. Apparently they'll get kind of beat up, so I just wanted to get an extra set, and they're really relatively inexpensive. I think it's $5. Come see us at MotoRacerUSA.com. If you like this video, like and subscribe.